Hi and welcome to another video by the Judge Ceilings and Interiors Group. Today we are going to talk about the Zentia Fission Ceiling Tiles, which you may know as the Armstrong Tatra. The Fission was formerly sold under the brand name Armstrong Tatra and was identified with code BP958M. Now rebranded to the Zentia Fission, the code is similar but is now BP958M3C. The Fission is available from stock in both 600mm by 600mm and 1200mm by 600mm. It also comes in both square edge, also known as board edge, and tegular edge details. This tile is predominantly designed as a cost-effective, directional fissured tile with already good performance. The tile offers sound absorption of 0.55 alpha W and sound insulation to 34 decibels. The tile also has a light reflectance rating of 81.86% and humidity resistance up to 70% RH. For more information about the Fission tile or to order, you can call our expert team today on 012-5386-4902. Suspended ceilings tiles, it pays to trust the Judge.